itadakimasu. なんでそんな感じなの?
Busy weeknight can make it harder to prepare a balanced dinner. Today, I'm making 2 high-protein Japanese main dishes that are easy to prep ahead, freeze, and cook later. They are also made with ingredients rich in B vitamins, which support the way our bodies use energy from food. Let's get started. The first dish is curry mayo mackerel with maitake and colorful vegetables. The mackerel is full of Savoy curry flavor, and it goes perfectly with a warm bowl of rice. Here is what you will need. You will need mackerel fillet, mayonnaise, curry powder, and grated ginger. Add the mayonnaise, curry powder, and grated ginger to a freezer bag. Massage the bag until the seasonings are well combined. Add the mackerel, then gently massage the bag to coat each fillet with the marinade. Press out as much air as possible. Seal the bag, and it's ready to freeze. A few days later, I'm starting dinner by preparing the rice. I often add barley or mixed grains to white rice for a little extra fiber. Today, I'm roasting the vegetable alongside the curry mayo mackerel, so everything cooks together. You can use any vegetables you have, but I especially recommend maitake mushrooms. They contain B vitamins, which help our bodies use energy from food. Simply tear the maitake into smaller pieces. I often freeze any leftover mushrooms and use them later in miso soup. Then slice the onion and the bell peppers. Line an oven-safe dish with aluminum foil. Place the curry mayo mackerel on the dish. Then add the maitake mushrooms and the vegetables on top. Lightly season the vegetables with salt. Cook in a toaster oven until the mackerel is cooked through. Toaster ovens can vary, so keep an eye on it. If it begins to brown too quickly, loosely cover it with aluminum foil. While that's cooking, I'm making a simple miso soup. Place your dashi packet in a pot. Add water and bring it to a gentle simmer. Cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. And add it to the pot. And let everything simmer briefly. Miso can be a little difficult to dissolve directly in the pot, so I usually mix it with a little broth in a separate bowl first. Turn off the heat before adding the miso. This helps preserve its delicate flavor. The curry mayo mackerel is ready. Once everything is plated, dinner is complete. Tonight's dinner is curry mayo mackerel with maitake and colorful vegetables, a fresh salad, barley rice, and a miso soup with tofu and wakame. It's a simple, balanced meal with plenty of protein. It may look simple, but the mackerel is rich, savory, and full of curry flavor. It's so good with rice. The vegetables have also absorbed a hint of curry flavor, and they are delicious alongside the mackerel. You will find the ingredients list and the measurements in the description, along with my free Japanese diet starter guide. The second dish is Japanese pork and egg stir fry with garlic chives. The savory sweet pork pairs perfectly with the fluffy eggs and fragrant garlic chives. Here is what you will need. For this dish, you will need pork, eggs, and garlic chives. But we will only be freezing the marinated pork. Add soy sauce, sake, mirin, honey, grated garlic, and potato starch to a freezer bag. Massage the bag until the seasonings are well combined. Cut the pork into bite-sized pieces as you add it to the bag. Massage the bag again to coat the pork evenly with the marinade. Press out as much air as possible. Seal the bag, and it's ready to freeze. One another busy evenings, after picking up my children, I start by making the miso soup. I place a dashi packet in a pot, add water, and then add some mushrooms I had stored in the freezer. Keeping mushroom in the freezer makes it so easy to quickly prepare miso soup on busy evenings. Next, I'm making today's main dish, Japanese pork, egg, and garlic chives stir fry. Beat the eggs, then cut the garlic chives into bite-sized pieces. Heat a little oil in a frying pan and add the eggs. Gently stir them and remove them from the pan while they are still soft and slightly undercooked. Next, add the soda marinated pork to the same pan. Add the garlic cheese and stir fry until the pork is completely cooked through. Finally, return the eggs to the pan and gently combine everything. And the main dish is ready. For the side dish, I'm making a quick carrot kimpira. Thinly slice the carrot and place it in a microwave-safe bowl. Add soy sauce, mirin, and oligosaccharide syrup. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and cook it in the microwave. Kimpira is traditionally stir-fried in a pan, but today I'm using the microwave to make it quick and easy. Once the carrot is tender, mix in a small amount of sesame oil and some toasted sesame seed, and it's ready. Tonight's dinner is ready. We are having Japanese pork and egg stir fry with garlic chives, carrot kimpira, and a fresh salad, miso soup with mushrooms and wakame, and barley rice.
なんで戦いするの
Pork is great source of protein and vitamin B1, which helps our bodies turn food into energy. I also add mushrooms and wakame to the miso soup for some extra fiber. It's a simple, balanced Japanese dinner that comes together easily on our busy evenings. I hope these 2 freezer meals gave you some ideas for making balanced dinners a little easier on busy weeknight. Even preparing just the main dish ahead of time can make a big difference. If you'd like some help getting started with the Japanese diet, I've created a free starter guide. You can download it from the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.